Assalamu alaikum everyone. So the last time I talked about Luna Classic was that you do have a technical target up to 8,000 which has already been met at the moment, and what's going to happen next, that's what I'm looking at. And at this point of time, let's look at what happened on the daily. So if you go back on the daily time frame here, there's this fake out that happened. So you got one move to the downside and then one fake out like this, morning star right there, and it looks like you still are interested to push back to the upside. On top of that, the EMAs are pretty much being held. You can see that the 10 has held, and you do have a bullish cross right over there for Luna Classic. So this might start to push even higher. So you're moving up, you came down, you're holding the EMAs, probably bounce off this EMA and start to push up once again. So combining the EMA and one more chart pattern here is this one. So you have this move to the downside and you might start to break above. If you break above here, go for the retest. Then you're looking for another technical target here to the upside for Luna Classic. However, if you start to go down again and if you drop to the downside and get under the EMAs one more time, then it could actually drop even big time. So I'm just going to keep it very, very simple like that. You don't want to see Luna Classic coming down to 6,000 again, because that's going to invalidate a lot of patterns. So all eyes on this one, a little bit of a break here. If you do end up breaking above here, you do have a technical target of 13,000, and the level that you have to break above is 9,000 or 10,000 basically. And that's it for this quick update. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.